Hi, this is Jesse from Novaquark. Welcome to Dual Universe Dev Diary. This time we are going to talk about the Voxel technology. The idea of Voxel is not new. You've seen it in other games already, starting with Minecraft. But we wanted to go beyond the cube-like aspect. We wanted to let people be able to carve out, literally, the world the way they want, to sculpt the world, and to make it more realistic. We wanted also that players are able to build very large structures that you can see from a long distance. And finally, all this had to happen within this continuous single shard universe where everybody plays in the same world at the same time. So there were a lot of network technical challenges to make sure that the modifications you make are visible by everybody else. Now, if you're interested, let's take a behind the scene look at how all this is actually working. It all starts for the player with some basic shapes that you are able to deploy in the world, like a cube of course, but also spheres or cylinders or even prism. So these shapes are the basic elements, but behind the scene they are made out of smaller structures that are stored in a 3D matrix that is called a Hermit data field, that is able to store information about normal and surface. That's how it's done. It's called dual contouring, that's the technique we use, but it's actually going further than that. If you look at this huge planet, this is also made out of voxel, and the thing we do is that we store the information of the Hermit data field at different level of detail. So there are not only one Hermit data field, there are many that corresponds to different scale of the world. When you make a modification at one level, at the lowest level, it will propagate to update the description of the planet or the big construct at different level of details. That's how we handle huge things like planets, but also that's how we actually enable people to build huge structures like this space station with the same technique. We have already demonstrated several tools that enables you to go beyond the simple shape that we introduced, like the way you can actually select two surfaces and connect them. But we also plan to develop things like copy paste. So you see here we are deploying some elementary shapes, and we are able to select a volume and then to copy paste it to reproduce it in other places. There will be other tools like symmetry management tools and many others that we will slowly introduce through expansions as we exchange with you in the community to better understand what you guys need in building. That's it. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching, and a big thank you to all our backers in crowdfunding. Thank you. Keep spreading the word, and see you soon in Dual Universe.